Hey, welcome. Today I will show how to create glass effect in Figma, that is Figma new feature. So let's go to the video and you can subscribe and hit the bell icon and like this video for more engage. Then let's go to the video. So first you can create background image, and so I'm using today unflash no copyright image. You can download this image, go to the below description link, and then you can create frame. Press F4, go to this, and you can create frame. Glass effect now only use in frame, right? You can create frame and then go to, so I will add some corner radius 200, and then you can go to effect and plus icon, then select glass, and you can say this glass effect and change light position, same this. Okay, then you can edit reflection, depth is more magical effect, and some settings you can edit. So this is beta version of glass in Figma. You can try that in mainly you can try in frames and try it and be happy. Thank you for the watching and see you in the next video, and goodbye.